Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, my name is Vaibhav. I am representative of our PBL project named as Number Guessing Game using Python. Our group members are Sanika, Nikita and Sohail. Aim for our project is to build a project based on Python language. Let me introduce our project. So basically it is a game of guessing numbers and using Python. So as we know, Python is very vast language as we can build various projects through it. So now let me tell about our game. Basically, in the game we have to choose a random number between the given range and we just have to guess it through that particular range. When we guess it right, it give us a green signal. So that's it, and I want to thank our team guide Mr. Sachin Kolekar sir and want to thank for his guidance and support. So now you can see output of our project.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.